Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your out-of-office status on Slack to let your team know you're away and ensure you can fully disconnect. Step 1. Access the status menu. In the 2026 Slack layout, managing your availability starts right at your profile. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left sidebar. From the menu that appears, click the Update Your Status field. This opens the status customization window. You can quickly select the Out of Office and Narrow preset or type in your own custom message, such as On Vacation, Back Monday. Step 2. Set an expiration and auto clear. To make sure your status doesn't stay active after you return, you should tell Slack exactly when to remove it. Click the drop-down menu labeled Remove Status After and select your return date and time. Choosing a specific date ensures your status clears automatically the moment you're back at your desk. In 2026, Slack also gives you the option to pause notifications directly from this window. Check this box to automatically enter Do Not Disturb mode until your status clears, preventing any pings from interrupting your time off. Step 3. Edit custom status suggestions. If you want to make Out of Office even easier to find for everyone in your workspace, you can customize the default suggestions shown in the status menu. Select Edit Suggestion in the bottom. This is where you configure the specific Out of Office presets. You can change the emoji, the text, like traveling for work or deep focus, and even set a default expiration time for each one. Once you adjust your settings and click Save, these new options will instantly replace the old defaults in everyone's status menu, making it easier for the whole team to stay aligned. And that's pretty much it. To set your OOO status in 2026, click your profile picture and select Update Status. To change the suggestions for the whole team, use the Edit Suggestion, go to the Customize Your Workspace window, and adjust your presets to fit your team's workflow. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.